Check out this pre-owned 2018 Ram 2500 4x4. This two-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.4-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ram has less than 148,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, stability control, traction control, trailer hitch, and rear privacy glass.